Hello, if you're watching, we thank you. We are live now, of course, we're live. Sorry, tech issues. Yambote, Tatale,
Kiambote tatampanzu,
Unama Vimpi.
ingeta, tunama vimpi yeyenu,
Oh, Yetepe Tunama Vimpi, Tutondele. Yambote Nengoteriwa.
Kiambote tatampanzu.
Unama Vimpi,
Ingeta tuna mavimpi yeyenwe.
Oh, Yetepe Tunama Vimpi, Tutondele. Don't be scared, Tata Ari. I'm going to help you.
You saw the text.
This is greetings in Kikongo. Tata, by the way, Tata, this is a test for you. Try to explain to Tata Abby what is happening. How do you greet in Kikongo? Yes.
Okay, so Kiambote, I think we were chatting. Kiambote means hello.
Right. All
Hello,
right.
hello, yeah. Somebody, hello, yes.
Yes. So Lunama Vimpi means are you okay? Are you well?
Well,
My
yes,
V my
yes.
V
So
so my Vimpi means are you well? So
My baby is
Lunama
a help, yeah, help, yes.
Lu is you many, like when you're saying
Yes.
you just so Lunama Vimpi means are you well?
Yeah,
And then
yeah, right.
you say to respond, you can say my vimpi or you can say tu na ma vimpi. Tu na
Yeah,
ma
oh,
vimpi is like we are well. So when you're
yeah,
responding,
okay.
you can say we are well. So it's tu
oh,
na ma vimpi. Tu na ma
To
vimpi.
mm.
not
My
being
baby,
Ma vimpi as in M-A-V. Ma vimpi.
my baby.
um
Let me write that
my
down.
being
No,
be.
no. Give
Correct.
us a
Yes.
little bit.
Okay.
Um,
Tata, do you have that list or list of vocabulary words?
okay, I'll talk to you later. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. My
Oh,
VP there. My VP,
thanks for helping me,
my,
Tata Lane.
my
No
VP,
problem.
yeah. Yes. Okay. I think most of the time we just keep it simple. Let's just go back, practice what we've learned before. Mm. Kwenda means totally.
You say Quenda
Yes, please.
to go.
Yes. To come, negotiate.
Quiza.
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 Yeah, get this totally. Alright, we got Kwenda to go. Quiza to come.
Quinda to go.
Quiza to come. I just try to help you.
You said Inkiza?
Quiza.
Kwenda, Quiza,
Oh, Quiza
Quiza
Yeah.
to go.
to go. Quiza to
Quiza is
come.
to come.
I'm sorry.
Quiza to come.
Oh, Quiza, there it is. Okay.
Quiza to
Quiza,
come.
Quiza
Quiza is
to
to
go.
come, to come, to come.
Yes. I'm sorry, I'm
Oh,
sorry. Oh, bad teacher, sorry, sorry. Quiza, Quiza, Quiza to come, sir. Okay, we are rushing here. Yeah, Quiza to come. Then to go,
Kwenda.
Kwenda.
okay. Quiza to come.
Mm.
Quinda to go.
Yeah,
Yes.
Quiza to come, Kwenda to go. Mm.
Okay.
Take note of the other please. Kwenda. These are
Quinda means to
Kwenda
go.
to go, Quiza to come.
Quiza
So,
to come.
yeah, okay. We're just going to apply the negative. How do I say I'm not coming? Let's make it simple. We're going to use Landy and the insistence later. I'm not coming. That's
Uh, ki,
very
ki,
simple one. We got your double negative key and co at the end.
Kilendi.
No, don't worry about Landy. We're not using yet.
They're not
We
using
just want to
Lendi.
help
Oh, we're not
Patata.
using it. Okay. So,
Mm.
so we're just doing. Sorry.
Key
What was
and
the verb?
co. Key and
I'm
co.
not coming. Or I'm not going.
Either way, doesn't matter. I'm not coming, yes?
Okay. Ki 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 quen ki ki quenda ki quendaco.
No, you're not going. You're okay. No, don't worry. Don't worry. Let me just have to.
Yeah. Kikwenda.
Kikwindiko.
Kikwendako. Kikwenda. Basically, what we have is we have on extreme at most left, yeah, we go to extreme left, we have a key. Then the other side, we have a ko. Your verb is in between. So
Okay.
let's say, test you that
So key
ka-
means
key and
you ever
ko. Key and ko, they're twins. They go together. Like in French, you say ne pas.
Yes,
Mhm.
true
In
negative.
French, if je ne veux pas, I don't want, you say je ne. As soon as you say ne, we're expecting pas at the end, the other end. So Kikongo is
okay.
like this. Key goes with ko. Mhm. Could be
Okay.
key or
So
ka.
key and then verb in the middle and call is at the end.
Bravo, yes. Well, but just don't make it simple. This is the basics.
Okay.
Basics, yeah. Key ko. Okay, I'll give you
Kiko.
a verb. Dia means to eat. That's how do you? Uh,
Uh-huh.
I'm not eating. So I don't eat.
Okay, so wait, you said am I eating?
Dia is the verb to eat. Dia.
Yeah.
So
So I would
you mean
say
I'm not eating. I'm not eating. I
uh
don't eat. Yes.
when I
Your verb,
say
your verb
ki
in the middle. Could
diako,
use the sorry.
when I say D to answer, would I say ki diako?
Correct. Yes. Simple as that. Yeah.
Okay.
Simple. To drink noir. So I'm not.
Moi.
Yeah, I don't want to eat. I want to drink. Yeah. That's
Ki moako.
Kinuako. Yeah. Correct. Yes. Okay.
Okay. That's
Kinuako.
simple so
Yeah.
far.
Yeah. No. It's very simple. Just you, of course you need to memorize. You just remember
Yeah.
key and ko. It could be ka. Let me just try to write down to make it easy for you. The thing to remember, your verb is always in the middle.
Okay.
Mhm. Remember, any languages, I mean, different languages have different. I don't know, many. Every language, they have the.
Would that be in any of the Bantu dialects or just in Kikongo?
Which we know in Kikongo, just Kikongo. I mean, this is
It's
Kikongo.
just Kikongo.
Yeah. But I'm talking
Okay.
about it in terms of variants. Core is permanent. Core does not change. Yeah, core is always there. But we have the key. Could be K. K. Let me pronounce it in Kikongo. Ka K Oki. But then your verb, then ko. Mm.
Okay.
You could say Kidiako. Hang on. I need to be on safe ground. Okay, let me just make it for you. Keep just key. Huh? I don't want to.
So I can say
I don't
Kadiako.
want to get into trouble. Just use key. That mm,
Okay.
yeah, key. Oh, sorry, where's my key and ko? Yes.
Okay.
If ever you find a sentence beginning with K, I'm talking Congo, K, okay. As long as there's a ko at the end, assume that is negative. Yes, it's clear.
Okay.
Totally. Totally. You know me, totally. No.
So
Totally.
call at the end is negative. Like
Mm.
I'm not going to eat.
Yes. Then what are you gonna hear me? Mm. No. Can you hear me? No.
Who?
We can hear
Totally.
you.
I was asking you.
Oh,
Totally.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't catch that.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I'm just saying that. I just want to be on safe ground. I was about to write a car key, but just leave it key. But as long as there's ko at the end, always assume it is a negative verb sentence. Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
we're clear on that. Okay, Tata Audrey, for you to come, Kwiza, to go, Kwenda. I'm not
Okay.
coming. I'm not coming. Tata Audrey. Ki,
Key
Kwiza,
Quinzaco.
yes, Kwiza. Okay, take note. We've been learning about pronoun of insistence and the lendy. Lendy is can. Lendi is from lender, but in this case, lendi is your auxiliary. Yes, you use it for negative. Okay, come is to quiza.
Mm-hmm. Quiza.
If you want to say I can't come,
Key.
use lendi. Use lendi. Yeah, Ki lendi.
Lend. So I
No,
don't say key.
always begin with start with a key. Yeah, it's negative. Key.
Uh,
Lendi.
so it's not key.
Lendi.
Key
Quizzaco.
Lindy.
Quizzaco.
Quizaco. Key
Yes.
Lindy Quizaco.
Lendi before your verb, of course, auxiliary. Yes.
Okay.
Lendi Quizzaco. I can't come. Of course, if you say Quizzaco, it's fine. I'm not come. Lendi Quizzaco. Then you
Okay.
want to use your pronoun of insistence. You put Kwame because it's third person. Let's just keep it simple. Kilendi Kwiza Kwameko. I can't come at all. How do you can you try please? Kilendi Kwiza.
Uh, Key Linda Kwame.
Kilendi
Oh, I'm
Kilendi.
sorry.
Hmm.
Key Lindy Kwamiko.
Your verb, you're missing your verb. We're missing the most important thing.
Oh man.
In a sentence.
Key Lindy
Kwiza
Quiza
Kwameko.
Ko. Kwamiko.
Kwameko. Kwameko. I think we are safe on that title and name what it is.
Yeah,
Yes.
wait.
Yeah.
Man.
Ame, Aku, Andy,
Andy.
Andy.
Mm.
What comes next, Andy?
Oh.
Andy, title, what comes next?
Oh, you said after Andy,
Eno, yes.
Eno,
Sorry. Eto.
Eto, Eno, Awu.
Oh. We do this for Tata area.
Key Lindy. I was checking the notes.
Yeah,
Kwame.
have you got this name, Tata area? Have you got this Ame, Aku, Andy? Have you
Ame.
got this written somewhere? You need to write it down, please. Can you write it down, please?
Okay.
Very important.
Hold on.
That's how you didn't help me, Tata.
I was wait, let me go let me get a pen.
Okay,
I'm
give me
sorry.
1 second.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, we forgot one. We forgot Eno. First plural.
Yeah, Eno is not there. After Eto.
Oh, did I say first plural? Or, no. That's second.
It's a
Second plural.
second group. Second group.
Yes.
So Ame, Aku, Andy, Eto, Aku. Then with the what is
Yes,
this?
that's how you win. That's
What is
how
the Kwame, Kwaku, Kwandi called? What are they called?
where's that?
Emphatic pronouns.
Right there. That's how
Okay.
you
Yeah, I'm just writing it down.
No, I'm sorry. I didn't just. Yes. This one, I'm not sure how to qualify them, but we just say the suffixes, yeah, tata alias. But you need to, this you must, you have to, you have no choice, you have to memorize them. Because you
Andy.
find everywhere, all the copying of, they're everywhere. When we
So
say
this will
Kwame,
go this will go before and after a word.
no, let me know that all please is a test you. You are going to become a teacher. That
Okay.
explain the, can you please explain to Tata Audrey? Yeah.
These
Let me ask you, have you done Tata Audrey? Have you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, I want to take this off. Yeah. Okay, Tata Audrey, try to, because these are the suffixes we have to use in different ways.
yeah, so it's how can I explain this? It's they're they're like suffix like well would we consider them they're not possessive
Just say
are they possessive
suffixes,
adjectives?
suffixes, just suffix, yeah.
Yeah, they are possessive.
So that yeah, so there's suffixes but like possessive adjectives like is it my
Could be. Just call it. It's easy. Just call it suffix
like
for
my
because it's the pronoun. Yes,
your
Yeah, my use
your
Okay.
his her or our your
theirs.
and then theirs.
Okay, I'm writing it down.
good. Just forget that. You got your ame, aku, Andy. So when you're talking about that Alan, you again, I'm going to pick on you today. When you're talking about the pronoun of insistence, what do you mean that?
Are you talking about emphatics you mean or
In fact, sorry, yeah, same thing. Insistence, in fact, yeah.
yeah
Let's explain that earlier.
so emphatic is like saying like so we would consider those what reflective pronouns like
Not reflective.
No,
Reflective is interjection. We did last time. This one,
so
it's, like at all. I'm not coming at all. Insistence. Yeah, underlining.
yeah yeah so yeah like at all
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
so if I said like I'm not coming at all right
Mm-hmm.
that's where you
Say
know
Kikongo then. Say Kikongo. That time, please.
oh in Kikongo I would say Kikwiza Kwameko.
Yes. What is the emphatic?
Kiquiza comical. Okay, so I thought we were still on the suffixes as in ami, aku. So you don't
Yeah,
use that at all.
no, we did. So the uh, I did. I said Kwame. Kwame is
Yes.
like it's like KU plus Ame
Correct.
AME.
Yes.
Oh,
Well
got you.
done. Well done. Yeah.
Okay.
If
Well
you put it
done.
together, it's like it's pronounced Kwame.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ki Kwiza Kwame ko.
Yes.
Quiza
I'm not coming
Kwame.
at all. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm. Thank you, Tata. Tata, the question to you. To go to the Congo, remember to go?
Um
Kwenda.
Quinda. Yeah.
Kwenda. Okay. Okay. Can you say, I'm not
Uh
going at all? I'm not going at all. You have your
um
Kwame. I'm not going at all.
uh uh
Remember,
key,
key, always key, yeah? Key, then
yeah.
you verb, yes?
Uh I was about to say
Key,
Linda,
key, key,
but
key, key.
uh
Always negative, always key, yes?
yeah, key
Then your verb, Kwenda, yes?
Quinda uh comico,
Kwameko, yeah, well done,
Quamico.
yes. Yes. Remember, ame, aku, ame first singular, aku second singular, andi third singular, eto first plural, eno second plural, au third plural.
Okay.
Okay, that's all, yes.
Uh I'm just last time because I didn't have my pen, I didn't write down the Quinza or
No, no,
the
no,
other.
you don't need to write them down. It's
Okay.
fine, but just remember, you know your ame, aku, andi, all these.
Okay.
Remember when you say Kwame,
So
it's go ahead. Sorry.
so the Aku, or is it is it Kwaku?
Bravo. Yes. Your
Okay,
prefix. Your
so that
prefix.
is the second person, or that is the
Second person. Second. Yes. Kwaku. Yeah.
So second person singular.
Yes.
Mhm.
okay, so that will be put as in How would I put that?
How to translate? No,
You are not going, or is it
no,
wait,
no. The Kwame, remember, it is prefix KU or KW plus
right?
Ame Aku. This what we call, Tata, please, can you help?
Oh, the emphatic.
Yes,
Yeah,
emphatic,
the
yes.
Emphatics.
emphatics.
Emphatic, yes.
Okay,
So, third
emphatics.
person, that name what I do, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Can you help us? Third person, can you help Tata Audrey?
Is it
Third person,
Kwandi?
I'm not going at, he's not going at all. She's not
Okay.
going at all.
Kikwenda. Ki, no, kakwenda, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes,
Kakwenda
good.
kwandiko.
Yes.
Wait, key Quinda. So that's okay.
Third person is Ka. Your question,
Ka.
Ki becomes Ka. Remember, I'm
Yes.
so Matogi Kongo. Ki, K-E-K-I. For third person, negative is K-A. Totally, remember.
Yeah.
I
So
think
you have
you used to ask that question a lot. Yeah, this is
yes.
Kikongo. Yeah, in
K, K,
present and past.
yes. The same way you have ame, aku, andi. You have like with ki. You have ki for first person.
Okay,
Ku,
key.
ku for second person. Ka for third person. So it's K A. So
All right.
if you're saying she or he is not coming, you're gonna say ka instead of ki. Ki is for I.
Yeah, full sentence total in Kikongo. Yeah, well done. Third person.
Okay. Uh, ka. I guess
Mhm.
ka.
Ku is
Coming.
you said ku is for what? Key
Second
is
plural.
I.
Yeah, second single.
Oh,
Okay.
ku is second person singular.
KU,
Yeah.
yes.
So that would
K
go
K.
as in uh for Kai is she or he is not
Correct.
coming.
Correct.
Ku
Yes.
would be
You singular. Mm.
oh you. Okay.
Mm.
Mhm.
Okay, Tata, question. Ask, tell Tata, you are not going. Going is Kwenda. You are not going.
Uh Key Quinda comical.
K is you, Ka. KU, him. You
Oh,
talking to
oh,
him.
oh,
You talking to him. Please.
okay, Key,
KU,
Cool.
oh,
Kukwenda ko.
Ku Quindaco.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
Ku Quindaco.
If you were to say in insistence that how do you say second person? How do you say it? You tell the
Uh,
person you're not going at all.
okay, so that still would be Ku Quindaco.
Bravo. Yes, good. But then your insistence after emphatic after the verb. Yeah, good. Well done. Kukwenda. Again, please.
Ku Quindaco.
Yes, good. But emphatic means ku plus aku. Kwakuko.
Okay,
Kukwenda. Can you
Ku
say that?
Quinda
Kwakuko.
Koako.
Kwakuko. Yes, Kwakuko. Yes.
Uh, Ku Quinda Kwakuko.
Kwakuko. Yes.
Yeah.
Then
So
Oh
what I
man.
do?
that's the emphatic. So
Yeah.
you are not going at all.
Yeah, but you are fine.
Okay.
Kukwenda ko. It's fine. Just keep it simple. Me. Remember the easiest way. Kukwenda ko. Then what I do? Can you help us?
Yes.
Tell that how do you say we are not coming at all?
Okay.
He is
That
not
would be. Let me
coming.
see.
Kwetu,
Key.
kwetu,
Katu,
ketu,
yeah,
katu,
Katu, yes. Mm.
katu kwenda kwetoko.
Yes. Okay, we're stopping there. Okay, thank you very much. Uh, Technology was not good today. Anyway, this thing, this thing happened. Hmm.
Oh,
Okay,
that's not your fault.
Saturday, are you
Don't
okay?
worry
Yes?
that I'm not.
Huh?
Are you okay, Saturday? Yes?
Yeah. Like I said, I'm a little
That-
nervous, but I'm
Yes,
okay.
sorry, you're on spotlight today. But you don't worry, assistant teachers there, Saturday.
No, I
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Tata
I
You
appreciate
know,
it.
I'm
ready
trying.
to help. Yeah,
is a
let's
good teacher.
remember this one you must memorize. Ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au. Mm.
Right, I got that down.
Yeah, just call them suffixes because the way it's used. That's why I keep telling people this is a Bantu language. See,
Mm-hmm.
translation you always it's hard, no? Either it's hard, you can make it, try to make it, but you can lose something. Just let's call them suffixes. That's what, yes. Mm.
Yep.
Because
Okay.
here we are just using the for pronoun of emphatic insistence. Ame, aku, prefix is qua. Sorry, prefix is ku. Or let's say kw.
You, right.
Kwaku, kwame,
Well,
kwa,
what is K as far as KE?
kw, kwa. Uh, mm, kwame, kwaku, kwandi, kweto. Okay, no worries. Tutondele. Thank you very much for your time. We're coming back on Sunday.
Okay.
Yes, okay. Okay, Tata Ziku. Thank you very much. You would like to learn Kikongo, yes. No worries. Okay. Tutondele. Luenda Kiambote. Tata Alvi. What do you say to me? What do you say to me? I'm saying bye to you. Luenda Kiambote. You may go well. Luenda Kiambote. You reply?
Um. Oh man.
Sala Kiambote. Sala Kiambote.
Sala
I like him.
Sala
Sala, yes.
Kimbote.
Stay well. Stay well. Sala Kiambote.
Okay.
Okay.
Sala
You
Kimbote.
we have a Kikongo talk show at 7 London time. If you can watch on YouTube, just search Kikongo talk show channel. Once again, Tutondele, Lenda Kiambote.
Tutondele.
Kimbo.
Sala Kiambote.
Sala
Tutondele.
Kimbote.
Oh, well done, well done. Bye.
Ekyetu yangani kawauko iwau bombele meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu yeno luvovanga bo kongo diafwa